Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the equation 4x plus 5 is equal to 165, and we're asked what is the solution to the given equation. So to find the solution, we are going to want to get x on its own and end up with just x is equal to some number. So writing our equation right here, 4x plus 5 is equal to 165. Let's first get this 4x term on its own. So what we can do is we can subtract 5 from both sides. What this does is takes the same amount from both sides, which keeps the equation equal. 5 minus 5 is 0, so these just cancel out. And on this side, we're just left with 4x is equal to 165 minus 5, which is 160. Again, we want to get x on its own, so dividing 4 on both sides keeps everything equal, but 4 divided by 4 is just 1, so we have 1x, or just x. X is equal to 160 divided by 4, which is 40. Therefore, the solution to the given equation, the value of x, we now know is 40.